Hey, howdy, this is Mr. Potter, and we are playing Human Resource Machine. So, we're going to take a little adventure in programming in a video game environment. So, if you haven't heard of this game, this is made by the same people who made World of Goo and Little Inferno. And so we're going to go ahead and select our employer here, and let me go ahead and be this little red-headed stepchild over here. So there I am, I'm employee number 1. Here's my badge. Please proceed to the elevator. So we're going to go to the mail room. Year 1. Welcome to your first day. You look like an excellent instruction follower. Your first job will appear over there, on the right side, in a moment. Remember, you can always ask me for help. So it says drag commands into this area to build a program. Your program should tell you to worker to grab each thing in the inbox and drop it in the outbox. So I've got inbox that I can grab and outbox that I can grab. He still has an exclamation point. So let's see. Tell me more. You can put together a list of commands over there on the right side. Then press the big green play button to watch what happens. What? What will happen? Office life truly is unpredictable, full of surprises. I've been here 24 years. Yes, thank you. One day you can be just like me. But for now, back to work. Okay? So if I run this program, it's going to take something from the inbox, put it in the outbox. Ooh, not enough stuff in the outbox. Management expected a total of 3 items, not 1, and there's 3 items here. So what I need to do is I actually need to get things from the inbox afterwards. So inbox, outbox, inbox, outbox, inbox, and outbox. We're going to press play. So we grab the 8, put it in the outbox, grab the 3, put it next, and we can go a little bit faster to make that work, and success! Year 1, your presence is requested on the next floor. I love the graphics by these people. Back when they were 2D Boy, and now they're Tomorrow Corporation, just the graphics are wonderful. They're cartoonish fonts, and I always love how they always seem to have a deeper tone to it. Well, looks like you've made it this far. Congratulations on your promotion. Most people stress out and quit before making it this far. But I can tell you have a bright future in inbox-outbox management. Here's your new assignment. So now I need to grab each thing from the inbox and drop each one into the outbox. And I've got a new command, I can jump. Cool. So I've got all these items in here. So I'm going to say inbox and then outbox, and then I don't have to put another inbox down here. I can just jump and go back to the beginning. So let's try that, see what happens. By the way, if I hit this, it'll go step by step through the program. So the first step is to go to the inbox, which it does. Then she goes to the outbox, puts it in, and then she jumps back to the first step. So let's go ahead and play just so we can see what's happening here a little bit faster. Slam, 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 slam. Awesome! Busy mailroom 2, your presence is requested on the next floor. Why the forlorn look on her face? I don't know. That's just cool. Copy floor. I'm not sure what the A, B, and C refer over there, but copy floor, year 3. Oh no! The inbox conveyor system is completely broken, but that doesn't mean we get to take a break from work. So it says ignore the inbox for now and just send the following 3 letters to the outbox, B-U-G. The facilities management staff has placed some items over there on the carpet for you. If only there was a way you could pick them up. And I do have this copy from command, so let's drag that over here. Oh, 0, and I don't want U, I want B. Okay, and then we'll take that to the outbox, copy from U, and take it to the outbox, and copy from G, and take her to the outbox. And what is he saying here? Tell me more. Bzz bzz. Hello, maintenance department. Our conveyor system is broken here. Productivity is down 40%. Yes. Yes, clearly. We'll see about that. Click. Well, the maintenance department says it's working fine down there. That didn't seem very helpful. Alright, well, let's go ahead and play this. She picks up the bug and puts in the conveyor belt. Looks like it works fine. Copy floor, year 3. Your presence is requested on the next floor. Scrambler handler, year 4. So now the conveyor system is fixed. It only took a year, and just in time for you to get back to work. The data will collate itself, so I need to grab the first two things and drop them in the outbox in reverse order. So I got a new command. Feel free to copy whatever you like to the carpet. It'll be cleaned later. Cool. I'm wondering what that question mark is. Oh, drag commands here to learn more. Okay. So I need to bring the 3 here to the 0, and then bring the 7 over, and then bring the 3 from the carpet over. So from the inbox, I'm going to copy to the carpet. That's as good a spot as any. And then go from the inbox, take that one directly to the outbox, and then copy from the carpet here, and take that to the outbox, and lather, rinse, repeat. So let's do that. Awesome. Scrambler Handler, Year 4. Your presence is requested on the next floor. Continue to elevator. Awesome. So now it's coffee time. Year 5. Seriously, a year for a coffee break. Back to work. Aww. Uh-oh. Ominous TV stock tickers in 2 different directions. Power failure. I wonder if that's going to affect things. Oh, look at the lights dim. Rainy summer. Ooh, I got a career milestone 1. Awesome. Rainy summer, year 6. Ugh. Welcome to my personal rain cloud. I was never very good at math, since I have only 3 fingers on each hand. But I hear you don't actually need to know very much about math to complete these assignments. For each 2 things in the inbox, add them together and put the result in the outbox. You've got a new command. It adds the contents on a tile on the floor to whatever value you're currently holding. So every 2 things in the inbox, I need to add them together. So I'm going to get something from the inbox and put it on the floor. And then I want to get something from the inbox and add whatever's in the floor. And then take that sum to the outbox and then jump up, and get down. Let's see. So 7, throw it on the ground. 2, and the 7, make 9, and put that on the outbox. Let's continue that. Yay! Rainy summer, your presence is requested on the next floor. Cool. So now I can split duties here. Well, I always did want to go up an elevator that had no future. Let's go to the tripler room. The Crippler, year 8. Who are you? This optional area is for high-performing employees only. Is that you? Well, you're late. 7 years late. We need to make some changes around here. I want to see a 100% performance increase. From this point on, your performance will be evaluated with extra scrutiny. For each thing in the inbox, triplet and outbox the result. Self-improvement tip. When are we going to need this? Please leave the high-level decisions to management. So, I know that I can bring stuff in and put it on the carpet. And then I can copy from the carpet, add box 0, and then copy it to spot 1, and then I can copy from 0 and add 1 and then jump. So I'm going to go, the 6 will go here, then I'm going to pick up the 6 and add it, so I'll have 12 in my hand, and I'll put that here. Then I'll go to a 0, pick up the 6, add it to the 12, that'll give me 18, and put it over here. Let's see if that works. So the 6 on the floor, pick it up, add it together, 12, add it together. Oops, I forgot to put it in the outbox. That would be helpful. But I saw something else. Let's see, let's put that there. But I noticed I was copying to 0, and I didn't really need this because I already had the 0 in my hand. So let's get rid of that. And instead of adding 1, actually, I don't even think I need that copy to 1. I think what I can do is just say add 0 and add 0. So let's see. First thing I do is I go to the inbox, grab the 3, copy it to 0, pick up the 0 and add, I get 6. Pick up the 3 and add, I get 9. And I can put it in the outbox. That should work. Tripler room, year 8, size challenge, use 6 or fewer, and I use 6. Awesome. Speed challenge, use 24 steps, and I got 24 steps. Awesome. Cool. So now I can continue. Oh, I've got lights now. Size and speed. I didn't notice that before. So let's see, if I scroll down... Hey, I didn't get that here. I'll have to take a look at that later. Let's finish what we're doing here, though. Octaplier. Octaplier Suite, year 10. Yes, you can always check your own performance in each assignment's optimization challenges. The 2 green lights next to each button in the elevator will tell you how you're doing. Is there anything in life more thrilling than self-improvement? For each thing in the inbox, multiply it by 8, put the result in the outbox. Using a bunch of add statements is easy but wasteful. Can you do it using only 3 commands management is watching? So let's see, inbox, and then I want to put it on the ground. Yeah, we'll put it there. And then I want to add what's there, and we can go ahead and that'll give me, okay, so I want to add 6 plus 6 will give me 12. So I want to add 12 and 12 to give me 24, and then 24 plus 24 to give me 48. That would give me multiplying it by 8. So I need to take this result and put it on... Yeah, this actually goes here. I have to take from the inbox, copy it there, and then add 0. And then copy that to box 1, and then add 1, and then copy to box 2 and add 2, and then exit stage left. So let's see, 6, add 12, add 24, add 48, and out you go. Yeah, and then I need to repeat this. I have been seeing what they're saying here. Tell me more. You might be wondering how you can self-improve if you're already perfect. Yes, I like to work on improving others. I find other people really appreciate that. Okay. So the process works, I just need to repeat. So we'll take care of that. Awesome. Octaplier Suite, Year 10, Size Challenge, use 9 or fewer, and I use 9. Speed Challenge, complete in 36 steps, and I use 36. Awesome. Alright, so how about Tetra Cantaplier, Year 12. What a wonderful feeling. When all your work over the last few years all comes together and culminates in a well-executed assignment. For each thing in the inbox, multiply it by 40. By 40. Okay. So, obviously I need to get something from the inbox. I know if I copy it to 0, and then add to 0, that doubles it. And then I copy to 1, and then add it to 1. Multiplies it by 4. Copy to 2, add to 2, that gives me 8. That would be 16, that would be 32, and so I want to add 8 to 32 to give me 40 times something. So let's try that. Copy to 3, add 3, copy to, am I going to run out of space? 4, add 4, and then add, because that was double, quadruple, octuple, and then leave, and then Repeat the whole rigmarole. So let's see. 7 doubled is 14. Doubled is 28. Doubled is 56. Doubled is 112. Doubled is 224. And that gives me 252. 280. Okay. So I don't want to add 2. I want to add 3. Okay. Just a simple mix-up. So 4 and 4 is 8. 8 and 8 is 16. That's 32. That's 64. That's 128. That's 160. That's 40 times 4. Okay. So let's just advance this and see if this... Awesome. That seems to work. Size challenge, use 14 or fewer commands. Speed challenge, 56 or fewer steps. Awesome. And I really can't go any higher on this, so let's go back down to 7, the Zero Exterminator. Year 7. You again. Where do you see yourself in 5 years? I see myself completing the Tetra Octaplier. Or 10 years. From your other boss it says, from this point on, your performance will be evaluated with extra screen. I already know that. What a treat. Send all things that are not 0 to the outbox. Okay. It jumps only if you're holding a 0, otherwise it continues the next line. So, inbox, jump if 0, then I want to get something new, and then outbox, and then jump. See how that does. I'll grab the 9. It's not a 0, so we jump to the outbox. I grab a 0. And I don't care about it, so I just get rid of it and get the 3. That's not a 0, that is, that's not, and that is not. Alright, so let's see. Use 4 commands or fewer, and I used 4. Speed challenge, 23 steps or fewer, I used 23. Good. So I'm fairly competent. I'm exactly where they expect me. Oh, now I want to preserve zeros. It has come to our attention that the zero advocacy community felt the previous assignment was not inclusive. This time send only the zeros to the outbox. What happens to the other numbers and letters? Management leaves that detail up to you. So again, I want to get stuff from here and jump if 0. I'm going to jump to some point here to outbox, but then I want to jump back here. So inbox, and then I'm going to need another jump down here to make sure that I keep the river flowing. So I get stuff from the inbox. If it's 0, then I go to this spot and do the outbox and go back to the beginning. Inbox, and if it's not 0, then I jump back to the beginning. So let's see. That 6, I'm not going to want to keep. So I'm going to grab the 6. It's not 0. So now I jump, and I get the inbox, toss the 6, grab the 0. It is a 0. Run over the outbox, and done. So let's try that. So we saved the zeros, but I used a lot of jumps there. Let's see. Size challenge. Yeah, I used 5. Okay. Speed challenge. So that means there's an easier way to do that. I'll have to think about that. Let's go ahead and go back to the elevator. I think we should get through year 11, or technically through year 12, and then we'll go back and take care of those things. Sub-hallway. Sub-hallway. Subtraction? I never learned that in school. Did you? We're a good team. So I've got sub. For each of the two things, first subtract the first from the second and put the result in outbox. And then subtract the second from the first and put that result in outbox. Okay. So I'm going to take the 4 and put it in the first spot. Then take the 7 and put it in box 1. And I want to subtract the first from the second. So I have the second in my hand. I'm going to subtract 0 and outbox, and then copy from 0 and subtract 1, and then outbox, and we'll start the whole thing over. Interesting. So let's see. Just going through this real quick. Grab the 4, put it on the ground. Grab the 7, put it on the ground. And then 7 minus 4 is 3. Put that in the outbox. Grab the 4, grab the 7. I get a negative 3, and put that on the outbox. So let's see if that works. Boom, boom, boom. That got me the right answer. But was it efficient? Use 10 or fewer commands. Yes. Use 40 or fewer steps. Yes. Okay. So we only have 2 things that we need to check up on. We need to check on number 2, because for some reason I didn't get this busy mailroom. Optimization challenges. I did 3 commands. That's what I had. Inbox, outbox, jump. And then speed challenge, complete in 25 or fewer steps. Your best completed is 30 steps on average. So let's see. So there's 1 step, 2 steps, 3 steps, 4 steps, 5 steps, jump 6 steps. So it'll always be a multiple of 3. How do I get 25? How do I make it a multiple of 5? Because I only have 3 steps. Well, if I had 5 steps in here, it'd be a multiple of 5. I don't know. Let's try to stop. I can make it another multiple of 5 by adding inbox and outbox. Okay, so that's not gonna. I'm not gonna get the size challenge, but I have gotten the size challenge before, so the light should still be up. And that gives me the speed challenge, because it says these challenges can be difficult and in many cases not possible to optimize both simultaneously with one solution. Well, I'm curious then. What happens if I stick another inbox, outbox sequence in there? Is that going to be more effective? Let's see. 3 or fewer commands. I've got 7. 25 or fewer steps. 23. So I can actually bring that pretty low. I'm curious now. Let's go back. Let's try one more. Actually, let's try 2 more. Actually, let's try 3 more. I mean, the thing is, we've already got the... Oops. We've already got the number of steps done, so let's go ahead and try and get the other record. There must be another. King of verbosity. Yeah, that's horrible. But I can get that down to 21. Which, of course, begs the obvious. What happens if I just keep doing this? It's a lot of steps, but if I can do it before I reach the jump. Use 3 or fewer commands. Yeah, not happening. Speed challenge. So I guess 21's the fewest that I can get. Okay. So that's... Well, let's just return to game and go back to our elevator. So this... Yeah, I got that. So orange optimization award. So now I need to go to zero preservation initiative. This is where we are trying to preserve the zeros. And it said that I did this ineffectively. So let's see. So inbox, this is what we're doing. We go to the inbox, we jump if it's 0, which it's not. So we go back to the beginning, go to the inbox. So something's not efficient here. It's using too many steps. So I'm curious. Inbox, jump if it's 0. Inbox, jump if it's 0. Let's try that. So 0 we keep. I don't know if that's going to help. And I'm not going to use 5 or fewer commands. That got the 25 solutions. Awesome. So we've got the speed challenge. So we've gotten all of these challenges up through year 12. So this looks like a wonderful stopping point. We'll continue this next time. So once again, this is Mr. Potter. Have a wonderful day.